Welcome to Short Form Tech. Now, if I heard you right, you said you trying to add video to your TikTok green screen, but you don't know how to do it. All right, this is what we do. Jump into the app right now, fam. We're gonna select this TikTok green screen video background. Now I'm gonna select a random video. Let's just choose this one, fam, right now. This is a skit I did the other day for TikTok. Make sure you check that out at Kenyan Comedy. All right, toss that in the background. You see that? Doesn't matter. 15 seconds, 30 seconds. All right, and 60 seconds. Of course, do that. Go ahead, do your thing, do your dance and stuff. All right, put your funny captions here at the top here, or whatever, or your conspiracy theories. You know what I mean? I don't know what kind of content you make. All right, conspiracy theories. Go ahead and type that at the top, and you're in front of your green screen, just like that, man. Simple and easy. If you want to learn more about tips and get even deeper with your TikTok tips, then I got a brand new course called TikTok Hacks. That's right. We are hacking TikToks like Jim Duggan, man. So in my course, man, I go deep. I give you all the stuff that I know how to do on TikTok to increase your views, to increase your followers, to increase your comments. I go ham on that, man. So make sure you check out my course by going to my brand new website. Scrolling to the bottom, you'll see TikTok Hack Course. Go ahead, check it out. Let me know if it helps you. I'm pretty sure that it will. Check out this next video right now on TikTok.